Associate Secretary of the Catholic Education Association of the Philippines, and the incumbent Executive Vice President for FAS 2010. She will ensure that we all get the answers. Mitch Del Carmen!
I love you, Mitch!
Basayan, ano na nga ba ang tingin natin sa politika? Mga problema sa impeachment case ni Corona, ang patuloy na paglago ng corruption sa ating bansa. Hindi ba ang problema ng dahil sa lack of transparency? Habang nabubulok o habang nagkakaproblema, nagkakagulo ang gobyerno natin sa labas, dapat bang gayahin natin yon dito sa loob ng university? Hindi! Problems like ang paglipat ng DLSU sa Kanlubang at ang rationalized classroom utilization. Hindi ba? Problema rin yun sa lack of transparency dito sa De La Salle University! Tinatanong nila lagi, bakit ko sinasabi, do you always get an answer? It is because as students, as Lasallians, as citizens of this nation, dapat ba at nararapat natin makakuha ng sagot sa ating mga gobyerno, sa ating mga administration at sa ating USG? Sabi nila, ang executive secretary daw, ang trabaho lang niya ay yung trabaho niya, she is responsible for the efficient office management, yung documentation natin, yung information dissemination. Pero, after 2 years of USG, Tapat believes and Tapat sees who is the foundation or who is the founder of the USG. They see that this is not how the USG should be. The office of the executive secretary. Ang nararapat sa office of the executive secretary ay dapat minomobilize niya ang Lasallian formation ng bawat Pilipino, ng bawat Lasalliano, at dapat nag-advocate tayo ng good governance dito sa Lasal community. Next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, don't just vote because of the loud jingles that you hear. Don't just vote because of the people. Don't just vote because of their credentials. Vote because you believe in the idea. You believe in the reforms and you believe in the principles the party stands firm. Lasallians, believe me when I say that these are the things that you need to make a change in the face of the society.